Hello and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb build up and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb build up can mean the same as to build. Entrepreneurs will tell you it takes a long time to build up a new business. Police are gathering evidence to prosecute a criminal. We hope to build up enough of a case to be able to bring the criminal to court. Some members of the animal kingdom are great builders. Beavers build up dams in parts of the river to create safe areas to live in. Build up can also mean a gradual accumulation or increase. You can use build up to talk about something that accumulates over time. Rubbish has been building up in Beijing's dumps and now covers the same area as 100 football pitches. Dentists will tell you, you should get your teeth professionally cleaned to avoid building up plaque on your teeth. Reporters fear that violence is probable. Tension is building up in Iraq as the population protests lack of services and terrible corruption. Build up can also refer to a period of excitement and preparation. Your friend has been extremely busy at work. She tells you, we are really busy in the office at the moment. We are building up to a huge launch later this month. A colleague comes back from their conference. The conference was really exciting. All the events built up to an appearance by Richard Branson. A manager is briefing the floor staff. As we build up to Christmas, it's the busiest time in retail, so we all need to support each other on the floor. To build someone up to others means to discuss someone in a positive way to impress those people. When someone tells you lots of good things about someone, they build them up so you are excited to meet them. I am so happy to meet you. John told me a lot about your work. He really built you up. I'm very excited to hear about it. A manager is considering which applicants to interview. I'd like to call that candidate in for an interview. Maria really built her up. She sounds very accomplished. An artist is looking for a new opportunity to exhibit, but he needs someone to encourage the gallery owner. Tell the owner a little about my work. Mention the awards I've won and how many paintings I've sold. Build me up a bit. Then they might consider exhibiting some of my work. Another meaning for building someone up is to encourage them to eat or take something to make them bigger, healthier, or stronger, particularly after they have been sick or unwell. You might say to a family member who has been in hospital for a while, "We are going to make you a lot of healthy food to help build you up again." A weightlifter in the gym is trying to gain muscle. "I take a lot of protein supplements to help build me up in the run-up to a competition." If you build up someone's hopes, you convince them something will happen when in fact it is unlikely. An educator is talking about access to university education. "I think it is wrong to build up students' hopes that they will get into the course they want. It's better to explore other options as well." A company is in trouble for making promises it couldn't keep. Management built up employees' hopes of huge bonuses later in the year, and instead made massive job cuts across the company. So, to sum up, build up can mean the same as to build, as in to build up a business or build up a community. To accumulate or increase, like to build up waste or build up resources. A period of excitement and preparation, building up to the holidays, or a company building up to an important announcement. To discuss someone in a positive way to impress others, such as building up a visitor by listing their accomplishments. To encourage someone to eat or take something to make them bigger, healthier, or stronger, like building up strength after an illness or building up muscle in the gym. If you build up someone's hopes, you convince them that something will happen when in fact it is unlikely, such as politicians building up their constituents' hopes for tax breaks. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.